Hi, my lovely Leos. So, this is going to be a general reading for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs for the month of September. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs for the month of September. This is going to be a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. So, please take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't, so that somebody who truly requires this message can hear it. The overall energy is Four of Swords. Leos. Lord of Pentacle energy. Are you contemplating changing your career or some kind of professional leap that you're planning? Or you're feeling as if you're being left out in the cold uh, in your workplace. What is it that's troubling you? Are you trying to look for some new job opportunities or job avenues, or um, some kind of career change, because your present uh, workplace is not very favorable? You're feeling left out in the cold, you're feeling as if you're being targeted. Let's just clarify this. Three of Pentacles for Leo. Oops. The Fool and the Hanged Man. You're feeling stuck. You want to move out. You're feeling as if you're not being able to take a decision. You're weighing pros and cons about staying in a particular workspace, but it's not favorable. I mean, you're not feeling too good about it. And you're just scared, if you take this leap of faith, how is it going to turn out? Are you going to be happy about it, or are you going to be left out in the cold once again? You feel stuck. You feel as if you're not being able to decide what you want to do. And even if you've made a decision, you're feeling as if it's not going to help you in any way. Because your overall energy also, it was Four of Swords, a card for rest, rejuvenation, contemplation. You're thinking too much, you're in your head. For some of you, it can also be that you were in a relationship with somebody from your workspace, and that person left you out in the cold. You're feeling lonely, or you're feeling as if you're not worthy of the love and care that you received, or you are worthy of so much more, but you're not getting what you deserve. This person was a coming and going energy. I also feel that you're going to get some kind of message regarding your work. If you're awaiting a job, if you've given a job, filled out a job application, and you're awaiting an answer, I think you're going to get it around the 3rd or the 5th of September. You won't feel stuck anymore, and you'll be able to take this leap of faith. Let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everyone. So in case you want a private reading, please DM me on Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot Instagram. Or you can also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will get back to you. Let's take a card from the angels. card that has come out is Weight. That's what you're going through right now. A period of waiting, Four of Swords energy, a period of waiting, contemplation, recouping from something. But it's going to end very soon. It's going to end, and you're going to get your message. You're going to get that job application, uh, or you're going to get that letter actually from the job application that you applied for. You're going to take that leap of faith. Watch your thoughts. I think you're too much in your head regarding this situation. Either this person who left you out in the cold, or this person is an earth sign individual. Not Leo, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Or this is to do with something regarding your workspace, career change. It's important to only think about what you desire and not what you fear. Here, what you're feeling stuck about, whether to take this leap of faith or not, it's only your inhibitions which are making you feel stuck, right? So you need to let go of that. While you're waiting for a news to appear, let go of that fear. Just let go of any kind of negative self-talk that we're so capable of doing. Please think about what you desire, and only then can you manifest it. Okay, in case you want a more detailed reading about this, please DM me, please let me know, because this is a general reading, so it'll be a very general message for people. May or may not resonate with you. I'm again saying it. But I hope it does. I hope it resonates with some of you, all of you. You are in this hangman energy. You need to get out of this to take this leap of faith. It's going to help you. It's going to be beautiful. If you want, I can take another card out actually. Guys, please like, subscribe, share my page. Please follow me on Instagram as well. Some kind of a news is coming your way. Good, positive news, I feel. Whether it's to do with your work or this person who's left you out in the cold, this wait is going to be over in a positive way. The situation will improve in the best possible way. Like, there'll be no compromises. I think you're going to get more than you deserve. You're going to get more than you asked for. Around the 6th of September, like post 6th, you'll start seeing all these manifestations happening. Till then, hold on, guys, okay? Please hold on. I know times are tough and we're all stressed when it comes to work, when it comes to love relationships, but just hold on, okay? Hang in there, because things are panning out for the best. This wait is going to be over. Just watch over your thoughts, think about the positive, let go of the negative. Every time you think about something that bogs you down, be grateful for 5 things. Shift your awareness towards things that you're grateful for. Trust me, it's going to help you. It's going to make you feel better, and it's going to make you happier. And you'll be a little less stressed. Please check out your other signs as well. Sometimes our sun signs don't resonate with us as much as our moon sign, rising sign, or Venus signs may resonate. If you want to know how to find these signs, please DM me, or you can leave a comment in the comment section. Because I'm telling you, things are panning out to be really great for you. So please have faith and Thank you for tuning in and giving Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot a chance to help you. And love, light, blessings, and lots of love to all my Leos out there. Take care. You're special. Always remember that. Love you guys. Bye.